Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring this abandoned factory, and with me today, one of my best friends, it's Marcus.
Hey.
It's the first time for him doing urban exploration. So, how do you like it so far?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Guys?
I thought we were going to a national park, but here we are.
Yeah, so I lured him. I said we're going to this national beautiful park, and now we're here. So.
I hear this national beautiful abandoned.
National beautiful abandoned, yes. So, yeah, let's start exploring. Til å lagre et eller annet. Ja. Det er Battlefield-stemning. Hva er ditt forhold til rustne metalltrapper? Spør for en venn.
Hva forholdet til det?
Ja.
Det er jo krigsspill, da.
Tenker du om trappen der borte, da? Vil du ha en mikrofon, eller? Vil du ha en mikrofon? Mikrofon? You know a microphone?
Hallo, hallo. Test,
Hallo,
test.
hallo, hallo.
Yes.
Test, test.
Testy, testy.
So, the stairs?
Yes.
Yes. So, half a person at a time?
Maybe
Okay.
smart.
So, I'm going first. So, if it collapses, it will not... Yeah.
Yeah, it will follow me. Yes. Very nice.
It will not hold you. Oh, I like the stairs.
I think I will not stand underneath.
I like how much they miss, like, the guardrails. Speed and power. This is still not the worst stairs I climbed up, so...
Nice.
Hello!
Safe. Okay, my turn. That's some good quality stairs.
Yes, I like the hole in the floor over there.
It seems
That's
real
why,
sturdy.
that's kind of why I'm still standing here.
I think maybe maybe not further.
Not want to jump on the floor at least.
Can you test? I can hold the camera.
Yeah. Wow.
What happens if we go out there?
I was considering that, but I'm not sure.
With the hole.
Yeah, the hole, but that's another, like, a plate. There's different plates here, so...
Yeah.
So, and,
Some good
and you can
plates.
see it carries the stone over there.
Yes.
So at least it should carry me. Oh, this leads to nothing.
Great success.
There's a nice view though.
Should we check out some other buildings?
Yeah.
Still safe.
Still safe. Somehow the speed down is faster than the speed up.
You want a new shoe? Some new clothes?
What?
New shoes?
New shoes?
Or shoe?
I like that everywhere I explore, there's always one shoe. Always one shoe left. And some pants, actually.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you need pants?
Only pants?
Only pants or only pants?
Only pants.
Marcus, there's more stairs to explore.
Really?
Yes.
Good quality stairs?
Yeah, these are safe.
Best quality.
Jan Dobre.
Dobre stairs.
I'm not sure about the way further. How good are you at balancing?
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Huh? Oh. Marcus?
Yes?
There's stairs.
Stairs?
Down.
Down
So if you go,
downstairs?
I don't know, but if you go somewhere, you end up here without climbing the obstacle course.
Yes.
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 Yes. Dobre dan.
Dobre dan.
So these are some sort of silos. Coming down here. So I did some research on this place when I originally planned to visit it. But most of that research have been forgotten. I believe it was a cement factory, but I'm not quite sure. So I think we're quite tall up, Marcus. Or I don't know where you are.
I'm here.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
I
Yeah.
keep forgetting which country we are in. It's Sweden, right?
Yes. Tjenare.
Tjenare, god morgon.
Tjenare mannen.
Hvis noen skikker en brevdue at meg. Other buildings?
Yeah. I think I saw one.
You think you saw another building?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Maybe some more stairs.
More stairs.
Yes.
The stairs are the best part of urban exploring, you know?
Yes.
Especially the heights. I love the heights. You don't want to go the obstacle course?
I think take the easier route.
Easier route.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where's the champagne?
Huh?
Champagne?
Champagne.
Zambania.
This one. Or that way.
That way, yeah. Across the ocean.
Yes.
There's water in the cellar. The stairs?
Should we climb down the ladder?
The ladder? Oh, the ladder.
No.
Nah.
No thanks. Stairs?
I didn't bring my gloves for this adventure.
No.
Stairs?
Stairs.
Stairs.
Papers?
Papiriska.
Putska.
Oh, more boots. But not the same. Of course not. Why should there? We are at the back of a furnace.
Yeah.
Is that somebody that's going to kill us?
I think so.
I think so, yeah.
Is
good.
this a bombing site for the Air Force?
But that looks like a huge furnace.
Yeah. Very huge.
Champagne.
Champagne. Where are you?
Hello!
Are you in the furnace?
I am in the furnace. Yes, I like this place,
Yes. Very cool.
especially with the wind. Det er mye mer bygninger.
What?
It's much more buildings. Look at this, it's large.
It's pretty large.
Marcus, du måste smila. Ah, jättebra.
Vad skönt.
Ja, vad skönt.
Weren't we headed to the national park?
The national park.
Yes.
Yes,
Is this the national park?
this is the national park.
Yes.
Nuovo National, that's Italian.
Nazionale.
Nuovo Nazionale.
Semenska
Semenska.
Nationale Parku.
Yes.
You are very black on your...
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it's the furnace. The furnace loves me. Wow.
Wow.
This is a warehouse. Or was a warehouse. Now it's a weed house. It definitely smells like weed.
Yes.
Probably YouTube doesn't like mentioning of weed. But it does smell of weed here.
It does.
This is my black ass.
Yes. Nice.
Nice.
ass.
Nice ass. So, I don't know, more pictures? And it looks like they started to demolish and then just said, fuck it.
Yeah. Why?
Guessing it's expensive to demolish things.
We climb on top of this shit.
Yeah, we climb up on top of this,
Yes.
up there. Yeah,
Hopefully some stairs.
hopefully some stairs. Hopefully some stairs that don't fall down.
Like the wall.
Like the wall. To be honest, this looks fire damaged. This is fire damaged.
Yeah. It is. Bus?
Local bus. You want some chocolate?
Chocolate, ja. Milka?
Milka? It's there's something in it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I think we should leave before the radioactive chocolate
Yes.
starts talking to us.
Maybe smart.
And also get to that national park we're talking about. There's so many national parks in this country.
This is one of them.
This is one of them. There are no poisonous animals in this country, right?
No.
No? You're checked?
No what? No what?
Poisonous?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
Maybe snakes?
Maybe snakes.
Buffet?
Buffet? Ah, here's the beautiful security checkpoint that you had to pass through to get in. Do you think we can just walk through the gate or do you have to climb?
Hei.
Marcus found a solution.
Jeg prøver å trykke på knappene.
Funker det?
Nei, funka dårlig.
Helvete.
Se denne. Nei takk. Ja.
And now it's time for an actual national park. And maybe some like waterfall pictures will come. And maybe not. Let's see. Thank you. Thanks guys. Thank you very much for watching.